Joining us now is Joe Saluzzi, partner and co-founder at Themis Trading, an institutional agency broker. Before, as you heard in that clip, IEX was a dark pool. Now it's not. Now it's out in the open. And you're a fan.
Yep.
What's the difference?
Well, they've done things totally opposite of the way the current exchange model is. So in other words, they've done things which we think are much, much better than the exchange model now. They're not charged, they don't have a rebate model, which basically pays clients to add liquidity and then charges you to take. They have a flat fee structure. They don't have a co-location setup where they're selling data, basically. Right now, here's the important part about the current exchange model. They sell data. Exchanges now make more money from selling data than they do transactions. IEX is turning that model upside down. What they're now saying is, we're about client order flow. We're trying to protect your client order flow, which is what I'm trying to do all day long as a broker for institutional clients. So what they've done is change the model, and I think what happened here is the SEC realizes that over the last 10 years, the model's been broken. And they didn't know what to do about it. And along came a free market approach like IEX, a disruptor in the space. And they said, you know what? This gives us a way out. Let's approve IEX, and the model will start to change.
Now, they have 2% of all trading right now, of which some of that is yours. Why would you not want rebates? Why would you not want information to be sold to you?
Rebates are a very distortive process. We think they change the entire price discovery mechanism. My job is to buy and sell large pieces of stock for my clients, right? So I'm not out there looking to buy 100 shares. I'm trying to do more. I'm trying to do a bigger chunk. We think rebates will distort routers, the way brokers send their orders out there, and sometimes give signals to others who are predatory in nature, most likely high-speed firms who are looking to pick off my flow. So I'm trying to hide, basically, all day long, and we think that this will help us.
This, though, is now transparent. The SEC has given approval. It's going to grow. It's going to become another exchange, just like the NYSE, the NASDAQ, and the others out there. So will it lose some of its competitive advantages that way?
No, I think their market share is going to ramp up quickly. And I think what they're going to do here, and I hope this is what happens, is they're going to start to drive liquidity back into the lit, what we call a lit quote, a displayed quote, where right now, here's an interesting number, over 40%, almost 40% of the order flow and trades are done off exchange. We think IEX will allow that flow. Competitors may see this as a good thing, and we're going to start to get more liquidity built into the quote, which is what you want for price discovery. Price discovery, when you're trying to find the price of an asset, it doesn't help when it's all dark and scattered all over all these different exchanges. You start to aggregate that liquidity, and again, IEX, this is the disruptor. This is the change in what the market needed, and this will now drive other changes going forward, like maybe getting rid of that rebate model.
What percentage of your trading do you do through IEX?
I don't have a number, but I can tell you that last month or a couple months ago, our average trade size on IEX was a heck of a lot greater than it was on any other venue, lit or dark. So we're getting sizable trades. We're not getting the movement that we get in some other venues. So we, as brokers, and my job is best execution for my clients, we see that as an excellent venue for that.
Joe Saluzzi, thank you for coming in and explaining all of that to us. Joe Saluzzi is partner and co-head of trading at Themis Trading.